course, the reason I'm coming on a car park, hopefully, I shall be able to demonstrate the really fantastic feature on this car. Just get set up. Normally when I do this somebody comes along, but we'll just get set up here. Okay, it's got another feature here on the let me just put that stop start back on. There's a P here with a picture of a steering wheel, so if I press that, you have this parallel park screen comes up. So you can also, if you're parking on the left, it will go into that automatically. If you want to park on the right, the cars are on your right, you just indicate right. And you've also got parallel park and you've got perpendicular park. So we'll go to which is the best way. Unfortunately, there I've picked a space where there's a 250 grand Bentley Bentayga that I could possibly reverse into, but we'll see how it goes. I'll put perpendicular park, and then so we'll go forward here. Let's see what happens. At the moment, you're holding the steering wheel until it tells you. Space found, drive forward, stop vehicle. Release steering wheel, shift to reverse. So I've done that, shift to reverse, drive backwards, prepare to stop. So as I say, Bentley Bentayga, here we go. Drive backwards, prepare to stop. Stop and shift to forward. Stop, shift to reverse. There you go. There you go. There's also a parking staple there as well at the back, as you can see just there. So, but that's it. What that really is, I mean, it's that is a step forward in car technology.